Let's use the Nintendo expansion pass to the fullest by playing the Japanese games. The first step is to create a new email address. Here we are going to gmail.com and creating a new account. The second step is to create a new Nintendo account using the email that was created. Here we are going to accounts.nintendo.com and clicking Create a Nintendo account. Make sure the country/region of residence is set to Japan. You will need to validate the new Nintendo account. Log on to the new email and find the validation code. Submit the validation code. The third step is to add a new user to the Nintendo Switch console. Here, we are going to Settings, selecting Users, then Add User, and then Create New User. After that, we will link this user to the new Nintendo account that was made. We will need to type the email and password we used for the Nintendo account here. We will also need to enter another validation code that is found in the email we created. The fourth step is to enter the Nintendo eShop using the newly linked user profile. We will get a warning saying the languages are different and that the Japanese language will be used. That is okay. We will walk through this together. Press the AE button, then press down and the AE button again. We will need to enter our Nintendo account password one last time. Once we are in the eShop menu, we can press down until we select Nintendo Switch Online. Here, we can download Japanese versions of the expansion pass applications. We want the Nintendo 64 application. Press the AE button on the Nintendo 64 application. Press right, then the AE button. On the next menu, press down, then the A button again. Finally, press the AE button to close the eShop and download the application. All of these games are in Japanese, with no English language option available. That is okay. These games are easy to play and understand despite the language barrier. If we try to play using the newly created user, it will not work, as we did not buy an expansion pass for this account. We will need to use our pre-existing user that already has the Nintendo Switch expansion pass membership. That is it. We are done. Congratulations! I highly recommend playing Custom Robo. It is a fantastic, action-packed game to play. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.